Buenos días, yo soy Marta. Buenos días, yo soy Marta. Repita, buenos días, yo soy Marta.
Buenos días, yo soy Marta.
¿Marta o Keshila?
Buenos días, yo soy Kashila.
Muy bien, Keshila, mucho gusto. Buenos días, yo soy Marta. Repita.
Buenos días, yo soy Nicole.
Muy bien, Nicole, mucho gusto. Tony. Buenos días, yo soy Marta. Repita.
Buenos días, yo soy Tony.
Muy bien, Tony, mucho gusto.
Hi there, or should I say, hola. You're watching the Berlitz method of language instruction in action. In classrooms like this across the globe, people are having a great time while learning a new language. Berlitz instructors have you speaking simple sentences in your very first lesson, using the proven effective Berlitz method. Satisfied customers everywhere can tell you it works. But what if you travel often, like Frank? What if you share common language goals, like Kashila and her colleagues, but you're not all in the same office? Or, like Nicole and her husband, you want to learn in the comfort of your own home. All these people, and you too, can learn to speak a new language the Berlitz way. You can do it almost any time, anywhere, because Berlitz also offers live instructor-led classroom instruction online with Berlitz Virtual Classroom. It's the same proven effective method used in Berlitz face-to-face classrooms. All you need to get started is a computer with a headset and microphone and a high-speed internet connection. The convenient, user-friendly online format also lets you record your sessions and play them back for review. Doesn't matter where you live or which language you want to learn, or whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. Whether you choose private, semi-private, or small group sessions, you'll also enjoy the personalized attention of your instructor and all the benefits of the Berlitz method. Plus, Berlitz online courses could earn you college credit and may be eligible for your company's tuition assistance or reimbursement program. Click the navigation buttons below to learn more about how Berlitz live instructor-led online learning meets each of our students' needs and how it can meet yours too.